Let me guess. You need to print a school project, a boarding pass, or a photo, and your printer is out of ink. Again. You go to buy new cartridges, and the price makes you feel like you're being robbed. It's a trap, and we've all fallen for it. But what if I told you the problem wasn't you? It was your printer. After testing the latest models on the market, I found the 5 absolute best home printers that are designed to save you money, not drain it. Stick around, because number 3 has an ink system that will completely blow your mind. Starting at number 1. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. Best home printer. The best home printer we've tested is the Epson EcoTank Photo ET8500, an all-in-one inkjet model that produces beautiful, vibrant photos. It's important to note that the ET8500 is a cheaper variant of the flagship Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. They're both excellent printers. The main difference is that the ET8550 has a larger 8.5-inch by 14-inch flatbed scanner and supports wide-format paper up to 13 inches by 19 inches, which is only relevant for people who need to print things like posters, making the cheaper ET8500 a better option for most households. This model produces sharp, high-quality documents and incredibly detailed photos. It warms up quickly and prints up to 15 black or 10 color pages per minute. As you may have guessed from the model name, this is a super tank printer with a refillable ink tank instead of cartridges. A full tank gets you thousands of prints, and replacement ink is cheap, so you don't have to worry about high ownership costs. Also, refilling the tank is easy, even less tech-savvy people can do it with little trouble. The flatbed scanner is great for digitizing photos, as it captures even the tiniest details. However, there's no automatic feeder, so you must scan each page manually when processing multi-page documents. Number 2. Canon Color imageCLASS MF-656DW. Best upper mid-range home printer. If you only print documents, get the Canon Color imageCLASS MF-656DW instead, one of the best home office printers we've tested. This color laser all-in-one produces amazingly sharp documents and yields thousands of prints, making it cheap to maintain. Plus, unlike inkjet printers, you don't have to worry about printheads clogging. It prints up to 22 pages per minute for both color and monochrome prints. The top-end variant has an ADF-equipped scanner to quickly process multi-page and double-sided documents. Cheaper variants with fewer features exist. See our full review for more details. For households that only print in black and white but still need the functionality of an all-in-one device, consider the Brother MFC-L2460DW. It produces high-quality documents, warms up quickly, and prints up to 33 pages per minute. It costs little to maintain, as it yields many prints, and replacement toner is cheaper than the Canon since there's only one toner cartridge to replace. The caveat is that, unlike the Canon, you'll have to replace the drum separately. The scan quality is excellent, although the MFC-L2820DW lacks duplex scanning. Higher-end variants, like the Brother MFC-L2885DW, support duplex scanning, but they're hard to find. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET3950. Best home printer for photos. If you're looking for a high-volume all-in-one printer that's affordable to run and also capable of printing high-quality photos, the Epson EcoTank ET3950 is a great alternative to the Canon Color imageCLASS MF-656DW. The Epson's inkjet system produces significantly superior photo prints, offering a much wider color gamut and excellent fine detail. Like the Epson ET8500, it uses refillable ink cartridges with outstanding yields. The ink bottles are also relatively inexpensive, making this printer ideal for large print jobs. It produces excellent black and white documents and good color documents. However, like all inkjet printers, this printer can clog if it's left and used for long periods. While many maintenance tasks are included, it can still be a bit of a hassle for people who print infrequently. The Epson ET3950 scanner is also very feature-rich. It includes all the functions you might expect. Its automatic document feeder supports both duplex printing and duplex scanning. The scanning quality falls a bit short compared to some other options, but it should be serviceable for most uses. The ET3950 also features the usual USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet connectivity, as well as support for Apple AirPrint and Mopria print service, making it easy to print from various devices. Number 4. Brother MFC-J4335DW. Best mid-range home printer. The Brother MFC-J4335DW is the best printer for your home if you need a device that performs many tasks well but doesn't break the bank. This all-in-one inkjet model can output up to 2,200 black and 800 color pages with a set of full cartridges, and you can get XL high-yield cartridges that'll last even longer. Of course, it'll never match the page yield or cost per print of a SuperTank printer, but its page yield is very impressive for a more conventional cartridge-based printer. It produces high-quality black and color documents, and although it doesn't have the best color accuracy or widest color gamut, printed photos look very detailed for at-home use. Printing speed is respectable as well. It doesn't take long to initialize and get a single page out, and for longer documents, it churns out 17 black or 15 color pages per minute. The scanner processes up to 20 pages per minute through its automatic feeder, but it doesn't support duplex scanning, so you'll have to scan double-sided sheets manually. Number 5. Brother HL-L2460DW. Best budget home printer. Many people only need a printer that can take care of return labels or is ready to use once or twice a year for important documents. If this sounds like you, we recommend the Brother HL-L2460DW or one of its variants. Each variant offers slightly different specifications, so depending on your budget and needs, you can choose a model with more or fewer features. These print-only monochrome laser printers get the first page out quickly and offer fast print speeds, between 32 and 34 pages per minute. Connectivity options can include USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet, and more expensive variants have features like automatic duplex printing. The main advantage of monochrome laser printers is their low maintenance requirements and costs. Their cartridges yield many pages before needing replacement, and unlike inkjet printers, you don't have to worry about printhead clogging. But there are some trade-offs. These printers are more expensive upfront than cheap inkjet printers, like the Canon Pixma MG3620 we recommend below. Also, as print-only units, you must be sure you won't need to scan anything. And that's the list. No more guesswork, no more ink cartridge anxiety. You now have the blueprint to choose a printer that fits your life and your wallet. Every single printer we've featured today, from the budget all-in-one to the professional photo beast, all the links for the best prices are waiting for you in the description below. If this video saved you from a future of printer frustration, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Share this with a friend or family member who's always complaining about their printer. And subscribe for more real-world tech reviews that actually save you money. See you in the next one.